What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI, and it is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, blockchain, so on. That's all that this video is. It's not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. It is simply you and I talking about the crypto world, talking about prices, talking about the market, talking about SHIB, talking about news, and that's it. Now, right now, you can see that we're in the green over the last hour. 24 hours, still batting back and forth here, but nonetheless, Bitcoin sitting at $70,000, Ethereum $2,070, Solana almost $87, and these prices are relatively low compared to where we've been over the last couple of months, but doing very well compared to where we've been over the last couple of weeks. So looking at it that way, glass half full, that's the way I approach it. 27 fear, 40 altcoin season, and still neutral on the RSI. So with the overall market outlook there, with SHIB Inu coin bullish over the last couple of days, let's see what these analysts have to say about the price point that SHIB Inu coin needs to break in order to see a bullish move. It says support resilience. SHIB Inu coin defending that 560 point per coin level, accumulating 52% annual decline, but showing signs of seller exhaustion. Exchange scarcity. SHIB Inu coin reserves on centralized exchanges have dropped to a record low of 80.1 trillion, drastically reducing immediate sell-side pressure. So, two indicators here that sell-side pressure or selling demand. Selling demand is kind of like, I don't know, an oxymoron. You get it. You get it, though. It's lower than where it's been. And finally, technical signals, the weekly RSI near 30 indicates that the asset is in oversold territory, which historically precedes significant rebounds in meme coins. Finally, it says SHIB Inu coin ecosystem is currently facing a challenging period. At the time of writing, the coin's trading near 580 points per coin, struggling to shake off the bearish trend that has eroded its market cap to $3 billion. The pattern is widely recognized as a herald of bullish reversals, and according to this analyst, the last time SHIB broke out of a similar formation, the price skyrocketed by 455%. Shibarium and the challenge of real utility. I couldn't care less. Look, I don't believe that Shibarium is going to bring any demand to SHIB Inu coin. I don't believe that Shibarium is going to reduce the supply of SHIB Inu coin. Here's what I'm looking at. The community. Now, right now, the community is near an all-time low. Interest in SHIB Inu coin is near an all-time low. Just like 2 weeks ago, we were sitting at a level of, I can't find it here on the chart, less than 1, okay? And with that, that's the lowest we have seen since SHIB Inu coin made a name for itself in 2021. Interest has never been lower, but it will rise as greed returns. People flock towards meme coins during periods of high volatility, high risk, risk on assets, risk on sentiment, and greed in the market. We're not there right now, guys. We're suffering fear and extreme fear. Eventually, that turns to greed and prices rise. So we've simply got a decision to make. You know, I don't know if these analysts are going to be right, and we're going to watch SHIB Inu coin jump 455% and so on. What I do know is that we need to see retail investors return if we expect meme coins to rise. I'm simply making the decision to buy before that happens.